my YouTube channel. So in this video I have this platform for you, although this platform is 2 months old now, 2 months old. But the reason why I insist to share it to you is that I have done being in a platform like this last year that lasts up to 9 months, exactly like this, that lasts up to 9 months. And I can tell you I make a lot of money from the platform. Really, I make a lot of money from the platform last year. So guys, this platform is called my car. So what they are doing here is that you purchase a product. Don't worry, even though the amount the product is giving to you is very low, is very small, but you will make a lot of money from it. Believe me, you will make a good money from it. In a month you will not make your capital back, but as from a month old, a month plus, you will be making profit. From that moment you will be making a profit. So let me show you something, let me teach you. If you want to register, you can check the description of this video, you will see the registration link there. So after you register and you do your you registered, they will give you free machine, that is free plan. They will give it to you, free plan. They will give you a free plan that will be giving you money for free every day. So that free plan, they will give you a free plan of, I think, 40,000 naira free plan, but it will only last for just 2 days. 2 days. It will only last for 2 days. It will give you money for only 2 days. So the next thing to do to make money on this platform is to check their products. Here, click on buy on their products there. So when you click on buy, you will see a lot of their products here. You will see it. Some of them are not yet on the shelf, that is, they have not listed some of them. Right now there are only 3 products here, so you can take the opportunity before the others come in. So for example, the first product here, the price, as you can see, the device price is 4,000 naira, and the 4,000 naira device will be giving you 4.8 naira every hours. 4.8 naira every hours. That should be around I think that should be 4.8 times let me say times 24 hours, that is in a day. It will give you 115.2. It should give you 115 naira 0.2. So that is what this one will be giving to you. So in a month you will not make, I don't think you will make your capital back, but you will make close to it. You will make about 3,456 in a month. But because this plan here will work for you for 365 days, that is a year, to work for you for a year. So you can do the calculation. The first month you did not make back your capital, you did not make all your capital, but as from the second month onward, you start making the same amount again, onward. So let's just say the first month you did not use it to make your capital, but the rest of the month you use it to make 3,456. It's just like you are collecting salary from somewhere. It's just like you are getting salary from somewhere. Okay, let's say this platform now lasts up to 9 months. You can do the calculation. 9 months, or let's just say for 12 months, for a year. That means you are going to get a profit of 41,000 something. Yes, 41,000 plus profit, or 40,000 plus. That is if you go for this one. If you go for this second one here, it will be giving you 12.3 every hours. In 24 hours you get 295 naira 2 kobo. So you can do the calculation times 30 days. In 30 days you will get a total income of 8,856. You can see that you have not make your capital back, but that is not the case. You will still make more than that. The next month, as from that month onward, you will start making profit and go on and go on. This one will make you a total of 42,000 plus in a year. This 10,000 naira will make you a total income of 107,748 naira in a year. So that is it for that one. So again, you can also see this one here. This one, the price is 20k, 20,000 naira, and this one will be making you 24,000 24.5 naira every hours. So in 24 hours, that is in a day, we're making a total income of 588 naira daily. So you can do the calculation. In a month you will make a 17,000 plus. So you see that you have not make your capital back, but as from that month up, you will start making your profit. As from that moment, as from that day, that month, you will be making your profit. Imagine you are earning a 17,640 every month without doing anything. You are earning it. If the money is in your hand, you might have spent it finished. But this platform will make you make it through your spendable money. So I don't know when this other product here will come out, but soon they will come out. They will still come out. Maybe they want to sell this product here. They want to sell them up before releasing all this one. So you can see this one. I don't know. Nobody knows the price yet, but I can guess this one here will be around 50k. As I'm looking, it will be around 50k. It will make you a total of 663,132 naira in a year. So like that. So that is their product on this platform. Right now they only have 3 products. Right now, the 4,000 naira product, the 10,000 naira product, and the 20,000 naira product. So it's now based on the one you want to go for, the one you want to do. So if you want to buy a product, this is what you will do. You will click on, there are a lot of other ways you can make money on this platform. So if you want to buy a product, this is what you will do. You will click on recharge to recharge. Click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, you want to transfer this money to Wema Bank. For example, let's say I want to buy that 4,000 naira product. So you will click on 4,000. If you want to buy 10,000, you click on 10,000, 20,000. So I think those products that have not been on sale, this is their price here. You can see this one is 30, 100, 200, 500k, 1 million, but they have not yet list them. They have only list these 3 you are seeing up here. So that is it. So for now, let's say you want to purchase let's say I want to purchase this 4,000 naira product. I just click on it. You will click on it, then you will go down. You can read it. Select Ngcarpower receiving account and transfer the money to the account that appear on the interface. If you have made the payment but have not increased your balance, please contact customer service promptly. Send your payment voucher. We will always solve your problems for you. Please obtain a new account payment before payment. So that is it. So you will now click on recharge here. You click on recharge here. click on the recharge button here. You click on recharge. So after you click on recharge, it will direct you to a page where you are going to see the account number you have to send the money to. Fast Pay Official. So this is the account you have to pay the money to. Realless Pay Company. So you just, this is the account number, copy. Then after you make the copy, after you copy the account, then this is the bank account name, and this is the bank name, Wema Bank. So you transfer the money to it. After you make the transfer, then you click on confirm. When you see that you have made the payment, you click on confirm, reconfirm here. So when it writes successful, payment successful, then you should go back to your account and you are going to see the money in your wallet here. You're going to see the money in your wallet up here. So after you see the money in your wallet there, you can now start your use it to purchase the product you want to purchase. You can now click on buy and click on buy on the product you want to purchase and confirm it. That is how to purchase product on this platform. So that is how to purchase. You can see I have about 1,552 assets here. That is my money here. That is the money I have here. So every hour you can just leave it for 24 hours if you like. You can leave it for 2 days, 3 days. But let's say you want to claim your income every hours, you will see the amount your product has give you here. So all you need to do is to just click on receive income. So the money will appear here in your wallet. It will show up here in your wallet. So after that, that is all. So right now, if you want to withdraw, firstly you need to add your collection amount, add collection account here. Click on it, then select your bank details and add it. Add your bank details. Add your bank details to be receiving your money. To check your device, the device you purchase, you can click up here, check device. You will see your device there. So that is it from there. There are a lot of other ways you can use to make money on this platform. When you register and you join them, you will be seeing them ways one by one. Others offer. You can use it from this one. There are a lot of other ways you can use to make money. So that is it on this platform. That is it. Their minimum withdrawal on this platform is 1,000 naira. So when you have up to 1,000 naira, you can withdraw. You can see here I have 1,552. So I can just click on it and use it to withdraw. I can just withdraw it if I like, if I want to withdraw. So for now, I don't want to withdraw right now. In my next video, I can show you how to withdraw, but I just want my money to increase more than this, because when you withdraw, they are going to take their own transaction fee, but I don't want a small amount to hit my account. Sorry for that. So and they are going to take their own transaction fee. So that is it. So if you find this video helpful, please guys, don't forget to hit that like button if you are interested on this platform. To be sincere, this is a good platform. I can testify to it. Last year when I do a type of platform like this, I make over 4 million naira. I make over 4 million naira from this platform. So if you are interested, try and join them now. So guys, thank you for watching. The registration link is on the description of this video, below this video. So goodbye for now. I will see you soon on my next video for next new updates. There are a lot of updates on my hand right now, so please hit that like button and the subscribing button if you have not subscribed to the channel before. Goodbye for now.